Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are all fine. This is the makeup I recreated today. You know, I've been always into makeup and I tend to use a lot of makeup on a daily basis, but sometimes I just give my skin some rest and use as less makeup as I can. Especially when I find someone who inspires me to use less makeup and to just look great without too much makeup on my face. This is actually a new technique and I really love it. I made this makeup after such a wonderful woman. I'm gonna link her video below. I hope you will like it. Everyone knows her. Everyone will be like wow when they see her makeup. She is so beautiful and I really appreciate that she's having her YouTube channel now. If you haven't watched it, watch it and you'll enjoy it. Yeah, this is the look of today, and I have this fancy earrings specially just to be a little more fancy, and the color of my t-shirt is just the favorite color of this woman. It's just my thank you for the makeup, and I hope you have a great day. If you like this makeup and want to know how to make it, just keep on watching. Have a nice day. Bye. And of course I'm gonna say her name. This is amazing, marvelous and so gorgeous Naomi Campbell. Thank you for this makeup idea and I hope you are great. Thumbs up for this video, guys. Bye.